Hello guys, welcome to Next Academy YouTube channel. In this video I want to show you how you can participate in YumParty community sale. If you are mining YumParty and you are interested in their pre-sale, this is how to go about it. But before we start, please, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, click on the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to get notified on our next video. For you to participate in this pre-sale, go to your YumParty mining bot. You see the latest notification they send to everyone that is mining YumParty. You click on join the community sale now. So I'm going to click on it. It will take you to this dashboard. But before we proceed with how to purchase the pre-sale, I want us to understand the risk that is involved with pre-sale. Presale is unlike Airdrop, where you don't invest money, you just participate in doing simple tasks and testing the ecosystem, and in return they reward you with Airdrop. In Presale, you are going to invest your capital, you are going to invest your money, and because you are going to invest your money, you have to calculate your risk properly before investing. Invest only the money you can afford to lose. This is because sometimes most projects, after holding their pre-sale, they never launch. They disappear with people's money. And sometimes some projects, after their pre-sale, they list below the pre-sale amount, making you to lose 50 to 60% of your initial capital. So you have to understand this risk before involving yourself with pre-sale. Okay guys, this is the dashboard for the pre-sale. The pre-sale is going to end in 20 hours from now, and it will be 100% unlocked at TGE for this stage 1, the season 1 of this pre-sale. Okay, and 64% of the token allocated for this season 1 pre-sale has been sold, and 1 yums, the token you are buying on this pre-sale, equals 0.001 USD. For the next stage of the pre-sale, it will be 1 yums equals 0.0012 USD. Okay guys, also YumParty token will have the maximum supply of 10 billion, and about 4% of the supply was allocated for this season 1 pre-sale. Okay, for the pre-sale proper, you can either choose to buy with Ton, that's Ton blockchain, or Ethereum blockchain, or Solana blockchain. That is, you can buy with Ton, Ethereum, or Solana. Okay, each of them have their minimum. For Ton, which I know is what most of us use, is more popular and is cheaper. The minimum is 1 ton. So you can either buy 1 ton, 2 ton, 3 ton, 100 ton, 200 ton, according to the amount you can afford to lose. Okay, personally I bought 2 ton to test the system, so I will enter 1 ton for the purpose of this video. Okay, I'll enter 1 ton, then I'll click on continue. It will take me to this page to connect my wallet. You can either connect your Ton Keeper, my Ton wallet, Ton Hub, the wallet, and other Web3 wallet. You can see OKS Web3, BitGet Web3 inside the small box and others. So I'm going to select Ton Keeper. I want to connect my Ton Keeper. That's the wallet I used initially to purchase 2 ton. So this is my Ton Keeper. I have to connect my Ton Keeper to YumParty. So I'll click on connect wallet. I'll enter my password. As you can see, it's connected. If I'm buying 1 ton, you can see on my dashboard your contribution 1 ton, you will receive 5,300 yums. plus 1328 yums bonus. You might be wondering, what about the bonus? The bonus is according to the rank your league in the YumParty mining. If you are in Superstar League, that's the League 10, you will receive 20% of any amount of yum you bought through the pre-sale. So personally, I'm in Superstar League. They are giving me 25% of the token I bought. So I'm buying 5,300 yums. So I'm receiving additional 1,300 yums bonus for being in Superstar League. So in your own case, it might not be the same, except if you're in Superstar League. If you're in lesser league, the bonus might be 20%, 10%, 15%, 5%, or 2.5%. So I'll click on claim my 6,600 yums to take me back to my Townkeeper. I'll confirm the transaction by sliding. Then I'll enter my password. If I enter my password again, the transaction will be initiated on blockchain. But I didn't want to buy again. I just bought 2 ton a few minutes ago. So I will cancel it. I will go back to the sell dashboard. I will cancel it as well. So if you approve the transaction, enter your password. On your dashboard here, you see a countdown. After the countdown and it's successful, they will send you a notification to inform you that your purchase is successful. Okay, this is how to buy, this is how to purchase Yum token on pre-sale. If you want to participate in the pre-sale, this is how to purchase the token. It's very simple. Okay, so after that, you receive a notification like this. You can see the notification I received after my purchase area. Okay, now the amount, you might be wondering, when are you receiving this token? The token you bought on pre-sale will be deposited to you during the TGE on the day of TGE. They will send it to the same wallet you used to purchase the token, except if they will provide an alternative. So they will send the token to your wallet. For now, the token will not be in your wallet. You are not receiving the token for now. So if at the end of the day they turn out to be scam, you might actually lose your money. That's why I said buy with the amount you can afford to lose. Okay guys, this is all. Please, if you like this video, if you like what we are doing, make sure you subscribe, comment, and share our videos with all your friends. Share it on all your social media platforms. Thank you guys. See you in the next one.